welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned my Rowan denim charm into a little crossbody bag so I can take this out for lunch. As you guys know, I did haul this in my last video, just kind of showing you guys that I did pick up this Rowan charm. And I'm going to show you some of the details. Here is the clasp that makes this a charm to hang on to handbags. And here is that cute little cherry that's on there for the detail. And I knew I did not want to use this as a bag charm. This is my Laurel bag here in the back that I hauled it with. I told you guys that I had plans already for this entire collection. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing with these pieces. So right here, you guys, I have put some other charms on the side of this bag here. These are the little cherry hearts. As you guys know, I love pink on this channel, so a lot of my bags, I don't care what color it is, what theme I'm going for, it will have some type of pink in there. So I got this charm off of Shein. You can find this on Shein, Amazon, Temu, all those little websites. Now what I love about this charm, you guys, is you can see those little pink cherries right there. These are the same size or almost the same size as the cherries on the other side of this charm here. So I thought that this would complement this. And as you can see when this is hanging, how these kind of hang at the same distance. I wanted these to kind of match on both sides so that it can look intentional. So you can see that there. And I do have this, you know, I put this little heart class, and I'm going to link all of these items that I could find, you guys, in the description box so that you could try this too as well if you want to use this. This little zipper class here is very small, and then you have the little zipper thing on here. I did connect a chain to the zipper here, and I put this little clasp on here, and I attached like this little key ring with the hearts on here so it could have something to stick to. And I was able to get this chain, of course, on this side because it does have this little D-ring situation here and the other charms where I could link it on. And this was just a chain that I bought. I think I got this off of eBay like a long time ago, you guys, when everybody was really into converting bags into crossbody, things like that. So that's where the chain came from. And again, I will link all these little items that I could find. And this little clasp, I had to use like some little small, as you can see how small it is. I had to use like a little small, little needle nose plier thing, I think it's called. I'll put a picture of it in the description so you can see what I use. But I had to use that because it's so tiny to kind of force this closed. But nonetheless, you can still use that tool to open it up. Very easy, very simple, and I love this. I'm also going to show you how this looks on my body. You can buy longer chains if you're taller. I am 5'3" for reference in case anybody wants to know. But let me get into what is in this little cutie. But I did want to show you guys how I connected these charms and this chain. Okay, so now I'm going out for lunch. Obviously, depending on what you carry as your essentials, I'm not taking much. I was able to get everything in this little cutie. So I'm going to pull out the things and I'll kind of show you what I have. So, of course, I'm driving. So I have my key on here. Now, you'll have to take, if you have a lot of keys and, you know, house keys and different things on your key ring, I did have to take mine off everything else so I could just hold my key on here without, you know, having to have all of that fuss with it. So I do have my individual car key that fits in here. You can fit a peppermint in here as well. I found it after the fact, so I just want to let you guys know that. I have a little mask in here, you guys. As you guys know, the norovirus is flaring up. Everybody's getting this flu and like virus and stuff, stomach flu. So I do have a mask in case I hear some coughing or something in the restaurant. I wanted something to be able to put over my mouth. I'm going to move it out the way so that it doesn't interfere with the focus. But I have a mask in here. I'm going to show you guys all the little things that I have in here. I should have shown how this looked before I took it out, but I'll give you another screenshot with everything in it. Okay. So I have a little perfume. Like to carry little perfumes in case I have to go to the bathroom or just to refresh on my perfume for my clothing. So I have that in here. I do have my AirPods in here. Now, this is the one item that I really don't need in here, but I wanted to show you guys that this does fit in this little bag in here with all this stuff. I do have a lipstick in here. I have one of the MAC little mini lipsticks in here. You can't fit a large one, obviously. I have these 3 cards in here. Now I'm showing you these 3 cards. This is like my ID, and I have a bank card and a credit card. I wasn't going to show those actual items, but I wanted to show you I could get my bank card, my ID, and then my credit card in here as well with all the other items. I have a wet wipe so I can clean my hands before I eat. I can carry multiple of those, usually 2. I have my lip gloss to kind of moisturize my lips before I put on lipstick. So whenever that comes off, I love to use a base under my, and this is the Burt's Bees little lip gloss, or I guess chapstick. I have a little piece of chocolate. I like to have my chocolate, little Kit Kat, little mini. You can have whatever you want in here. Then I have a hair tie just to tie my hair up in case I have to while I'm eating. I don't like my hair in my face. And then that's it, you guys. The inside of there is blue. I love that this is blue on the inside. If it was dark, it would make it harder to find things in here. There are no pockets or anything in here. You don't need all of that, but there you go, you guys. I'm going to stick everything back in here, including with the peppermint, so that you can kind of see how I got everything in here. It is a bit of a little Tetris you have to play with this here, sticking those items in there. You definitely want this little thing here to be closer to the bottom because it is larger in size, right? Perfume. Ponytail holder. Now with this, you guys, I did have to find a little small bag. You don't have to put this in a bag if you don't want to. You do have to release the air. I had to open it up, release the air, and then fold it. I'm going to show you guys. It's got a little opening in it. To release the air out of it so it's not so big, I had to fold it, scrunch it like that, and then close it up. Almost like a vacuuming type of seal. You know how you vacuum out the air out of things when you store it for the winter time? And that's what made me be able to get that inside there. It's pliable, so it just squishes right on down inside there. And then my key, once I get to where I'm going, I can stuff that on top. Now, with this, obviously converting this to like a little crossbody, you cannot zip this up, you guys. I don't have any intentions on zipping this up. That's really secure right there, so nothing is going to fall out. Okay, you see me shaking that. Nothing should be falling out because this little opening is very tight. So depending on how you wear it, it's very tight. But if you're at the restaurant, you're relaxing, you want to keep it closed, you can go ahead and close that up. Right, so now you're at the restaurant, you want to close it. You can close that up if you want to. All right, real nice, closed up really nicely there. I'm going to open this back up and I'm going to show you guys how this looks on as a crossbody. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about this little cutie here, definitely comment down below. If you got this little cutie, will you be trying this as a little crossbody? If you have the other little mini Rowans, you can also try those as crossbodies as well. Definitely, if you try it, tag me in your video or comment down below. I would love to know if you got this or another one and you're going to try to convert this as a little crossbody handbag. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alrighty, bye.